Make some fun Halloween bark by starting melting your desired type of chocolate. Carefully pour your chocolate 1/4 inch thick and let your little ones help sprinkle all the fun, yummy goodness. Place in your fridge until your bark has hardened. Chop your bark and then break off your strips by hand. For the cereal treat pumpkins, add your butter and marshmallows in a pot and stir until melted. Once your marshmallow mix is smooth, add your food coloring. Remove from heat, add your cereal. Mix thoroughly and work quickly. Wash and grease your hands and roll the cereal treats into pumpkin shapes. Add your chocolate stems and candy leaves. To make these cute spider cookies, open up your cookie and press your pretzel sticks into the icing. Add some extra icing and place the other half back on top. Add your candy eyes. And there you have some easy spider cookies for your little ones.